You can see we're in a potato harvest. It's mid-June. We tried it differently this year. We put out a lot of grass, a lot of hay. That is a type of Bermuda that doesn't have a seed, and it was older, so we just got it from a friend and put it out there. And we really tried putting the compost on top of the soil, and the big difference is underneath the soil it's still cool. And because it's still cool and it's still moist, these potatoes have done really well. And so you can see right here that we're getting some good potatoes out of this. And all I'm doing now is we did do them in raised beds as well as just regular, but you can see all I'm doing now is separating out my largers, putting them in the 2 buckets, and putting my smaller ones in. This is probably the best harvest we've had, and so I really attribute it to the fact that, one, we've had good rain this year, but I also think that the soil temperature is getting too hot, and that the compost, I just really can't stress to you how cool this feels. And it just, our soil normally isn't this soft. The heat does,
not in Texas anyway.
The heat makes it pack in, and it's just not very good. But
in Texas it does get really hot.
Yeah, it does, and it begins to bake everything from the roots up. And I really believe you can see, like, look at the pumpkin over here, just the heat, and it doesn't have a real good compost cover on it, and I need to put more on it, because that's what's killing it. It's not the sun from the top, it's the ground's heating up too much. And so I'm gonna take some of this compost here and move it over with these old potatoes, and we're gonna do it that way. See if we can't get those things covered and get them happy.
I'll rub some dirt on it.
Rub some dirt on the ant bite?
Yeah.
There you go.
Better. I wonder if that actually works, because it does feel good. Rub a little dirt on it, it'll be fine.
Yeah, you want to be careful with the fire ants when you're going in. You kind of have to keep it more with your hands. You have to be kind of more timid. Ouch. There they go. Woo! Fire ant hole. Fire ant hole. Yeah, fire ant hole. That's a big one. Ouch. Gotta love Texas.
Thank Brazil.
I know.
Are they still on you, or they're just staying?
No, I finally got them all off. Man, we have Brazil to thank for fire ants.
For real?
Yeah, they came over on the boats.
Oh, I'm so proud. Thank you. Thank you, good boys.
Ouch.
We didn't bring it back.
No,
It
not.
was y'all. It was definitely y'all.
All right. There we go.
For reference,
Box about Yates.
this is an Annika. This is a box of potatoes. That's a big box.
It is a big box.
It's a big box.
It's a very big box.
Yeah, it's got to be at least 100 pounds.
Around 100 pounds potatoes. Oh, nice and good.
Well, and that's all the small ones we had,
Right.
really. And of course.
And that random squash in there, zucchini.
Yeah. All right. I'm gonna go see if Omi has some paper.